Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is me Supriti, and if you're regular here, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new here, then do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I won't take much time to introduce myself and my channel today, so let's straight away jump to the content of today's video, and that is whether Instagram Reels is the new TikTok of India. So that is what Instagram Reels has made me think. And if you are not aware of what Instagram Reels is, I'll show you in my video. I'll show a demo of this new feature in Instagram. Trust me, it's completely the clone of TikTok. It's gonna boom once it hits the Indian market.
And India is the fourth country after Germany, France, and Brazil where Instagram Reels is live.
And what could be the best time to launch it if not now? And after TikTok being banned in India along with 58 other Chinese apps, and people have almost forgotten about what those 58 other Chinese apps were, the only thing that has gained limelight is that TikTok has been banned and it's breaking the internet. And the sole reason is that TikTok had more than 200 million users in India itself, and at least half of them were active. And this ban has made TikTok lose its biggest user base. And after the ban, it has also suffered $6 billion loss, according to Forbes. Let's straight away jump to the demo of Instagram Reels.
So go to your Instagram stories, and at the bottom you'll find an option for Reels, and then select that, and then you can see the effects that I'm browsing through. So I've selected my effect, and then there's option for you to slow down or speed up your video, and then there's option to select music. So I'll be selecting one music like we do for our Instagram stories, and then we have to just select the portion of the music that we want to use in our videos, which will be for 15 seconds, and that's what I'm doing right now. So once you select your music, what we have to do to make our reels. Then there's option to trim the video that you have recorded, or you want to delete it, you can do that also. So I'll be just trying to trim the video that I have recorded, and this is how it goes. And this is pretty much very easy, and I think it's almost the same as that we had in TikTok, but the options were a lot more in TikTok. So I think gradually Instagram will be coming up with a lot more options which will be similar to TikTok. So once you're done with your video, the process is almost the same like we share our Instagram feeds. Just type in a caption and the hashtags you want, and then just share it to your feed, and also you can share it to your stories. The only thing you'll notice is that once you have shared the video to your feed, you'll find a separate tab for Instagram Reels, and this is where you're going to find all your Instagram Reels.
And now I'll show you in the front camera mode like how this thing works, and by lip syncing to any song. And this is just not my cup of tea, but this is the game of TikTok. This is what majority of people do on TikTok. So I'll try to do once, though I haven't ever done it, like lip syncing to any song. And I have a feeling that I'll be terrible at this. So please don't judge me. Okay, let's get going.
So first I'll select the music, and for this I'll be searching any Hindi song, and I seriously don't know which one to do. I have never tried this. So let me select an old song. So I think I know the lyrics of this song, so this will be okay. And then I have to set the portion of the song that I want, and then I'll be again selecting effect. I think this effect is cool since my hair is looking blue, so this is okay, something new. And then I've set that timer, so here I go.
So that's the worst I could have ever done, and it's done. So, okay, so this was it about Instagram Reels. At the end of the day, everything is business, and right now, Instagram has the best time to capture the market and provide the content creators of TikTok with a similar platform they had. And I think Instagram, in a way, has the user base of TikTok already, because while it was getting banned in India, people who were having millions of followers on TikTok were appealing their followers to, follow them on Instagram. So Instagram, in a way, has the user base already. And yes, trust me, there was some good content on TikTok, though the percentage would be very low. But yes, there were some fashion bloggers, travel bloggers, photographers who were really providing some good and result oriented content. And I really hope that they find a platform soon, because they have lost all their followers and all their hard work. So if you really loved watching my video, then please do not forget to like, comment, and share. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, enjoy the little things in life, because life is beautiful. Bye.